Guys, I just noticed something Jasmy is doing here. JASMYCOIN is really looking somewhat bullish, guys. I know Bitcoin is taking a dump on us. Bitcoin is seeing some downside. But in this video, we're going to take a look at the JASMYCOIN chart. I'm going to analyze the JASMYCOIN price action here recently on the hourly time frame and explain to you why it's looking to me somewhat bullish. So definitely do not forget to smash up the like button so more JASMYCOIN holders might get to see this video. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you're new and you love cryptocurrency. You are in the right place. We're doing big things here when it comes to crypto. Not only are we hitting the targets, not only are we making the gains, but we're doing our own thing and we have our own cryptocurrency project, the AJC token, with burns, merch, rewards, and more. Not only that, but also NFTs available. Check it all out. The links are in the description. Now let's jump into the JASMYCOIN chart, guys. So look at this. First of all, if you've been watching me and you've been watching our live streams, we talk about JASMYCOIN in almost every live stream, but look at this. I mentioned this before, double bottom action, right? Nice double bottom. And I know that's really just thrown in there like crazily, but guys, this is setting up for, I think, in my opinion, a massive double bottom here. A giant double bottom. I think what it's doing is really trying to find a bottom and just bottom out here and get ready for a bullish reversal, and especially with what's going on right here in the price action. So let's dive in and zoom in on this area here of the price for JASMYCOIN. Now let's take a look at what we're doing here on the hourly, because it does look bullish in my opinion. Now the only thing that's not looking bullish is the fact that you are below your EMA ribbon, right? You are trading below the EMA ribbon. If you continue to get rejected by that, you may come down here to on the hourly down to about 2 cents. About 2 cents even down here to test your 200 EMA. But what I'm looking at is this pattern we're forming, because this pattern on the hourly for Jasmy is bullish, guys. This pattern is very, very much bullish, okay? And I mean, even if I line it up here all the way, this is a very bullish pattern in my opinion, guys. As always, not financial or investment advice, disclaimer down below. But if we look at this, guys, on the hourly, this is a falling wedge. This is absolutely a falling wedge, which in my opinion, you guys know these things should be bullish, and we got multiple touches to confirm the support. We've got multiple touches to confirm the resistance. This is definitely a bullish pattern. Typically, guys, we would see this break to the upside. So what would that target be? Let's just go ahead and put it in here. We're not going to waste any time with this because this is looking good here. And I think that the target of this would be absolutely fantastic. Once we put this in, you're most likely going to see this thing line up perfectly with this uptrend support. We've already tested it once here and got rejected, right? After breaking that support here, we broke that support, we bounced back up and tested it, got rejected and pulled back. I think another test is coming, guys, for that previous support. If we can get above that previous support, and if we can break above it and reclaim that support, JASMYCOIN will be well on its way back into a bullish reversal and a bullish continuation here after this nice move to the upside. So let's take a look and zoom back in on this and see what this pattern, this price prediction, measured move target for this pattern for JASMYCOIN might get us. Okay, so we're going to just start from the top here to the bottom, and we're going to put it down right there, line it up nice and good, and drag it over here to a potential breakout point. And look at this. As I mentioned, just as I mentioned, guys, look at that. Look at how well that lines up. This should play out perfectly, almost exactly like this. To be completely honest, it should play out exactly like this. It would make perfect sense, and that's going to put you up here at about 0.028 cents, very close to 3 cents. So we're going to say about 0.028 to about 3 cents up here, and it lines you up perfectly here. Makes so much sense with this previous support, also the resistance you hit, and now you're coming back up for that next test. If you do not get rejected there, if you do get rejected there, it's going to be pretty bad. You're going to put in this horrible little bearish pattern right there. But if you do not get rejected here and you're able to get up through this just a little bit, just enough to get some support on it, then that can get us back up into our continuation to the upside. Let me just say one other thing here, guys. Something else that I just noticed right before I was about to end the video. This could also potentially be a cup and handle pattern trying to play out here, guys. This could absolutely be a cup and handle trying to play out. So let's take a look at what the target of that would be, because that would be even more bullish, guys. From the bottom here to the top of our cup, our potential cup and handle for JASMYCOIN, if it does play out as a cup and handle, then this target's going to be much bigger than this, right? Because our breakout point is going to be basically the breakout target to the upside of this pattern would get us over here to test the breakout of this potential cup and handle pattern. And if we break out of that, That's going to get us a nice, beautiful, bullish target for JASMYCOIN up here around approximately 4.5, close to 4.5 cents up here, guys. Right there around 4.5 cents. Let me just get this in there really good, nice and smooth. Oh my goodness. And that just lines up perfectly over here with all of this previous support. Look at that. Look at how nicely that lines up with this previous support turned resistance right there. I mean, just JASMYCOIN's chart just looking fabulous. All of these lines are adding up. It's all making sense. And it's all pointing to a possible continuation back to the upside. So far, this pattern and this price action, the way it's playing out for us for Jasmy, is really pointing to a continuation to the upside. Now, if Bitcoin remains bearish, and if we do see JASMYCOIN turn bearish on us, if we don't get a breakout to the upside of this, let me zoom in on this real quick, see where we're at currently while I'm making this video. So we are back up in the ribbon. Very good. Back up in the EMA ribbon. Perfect. If we can stay up in it, right? Keeps getting knocked down here by resistance. If we can stay up in it, that'd be perfect. If we do not hold support, like I said, guys, coming down to about 2 cents even would give us a nice test of that 200 EMA on the hourly. Coming down to about 0.017 cents down here is also your next area of support. So we want to look at that. Also right here, this previous resistance, all of this previous resistance right here would easily be tested. That's going to line you up with your 200 EMA also on the hourly. But overall, guys, I think Jasmy's looking good. This is typically a bullish pattern. A falling wedge is typically a bullish pattern. I mean, we're looking at this thing reversing here and heading towards 4 cents, guys. Of course, if Bitcoin can stay bullish, if the markets as a whole can stay bullish, right? As always, not financial advice. Invest, trade, hodl at your own risk. And don't trip. Buy the dip. Check us out, guys. AverageJoeCrypto.io. Smash up the likes and hit the subscribe button if you're new. Definitely join Discord. All the links in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.